Are we ready with cameras? Table with us, Pullavarana Bandara, Head of Marketing Sri Lanka Cricket. Chamaratabathu, Captain Team Sri Lanka.
Good afternoon to all of you, and a very, very warm welcome from Sri Lanka Cricket. A special welcome to three captains, special captains from India and South Africa. Very, very proud to be hosting this series. It's also about celebrating the spirit of women's cricket, especially in this region. Also, we are honored to be hosting the teams from India and South Africa. Thank you for your participation. I'd like to take a moment to thank our sponsors. Our title sponsor and the exclusive ground rights holder is Servo Lubricants from Lanka IOC. Lanka IOC has been partnering with Sri Lanka Cricket on several occasions, both on men's and women's formats. Thank you very much, Ms. Das, for coming forward this time as well. Your effort is greatly appreciated. I would also like to extend our appreciation to Dialogue. Dialogue has been partnering with Sri Lanka Cricket on several occasions in many ways. This time, Dialogue Papare and Dialogue TV has come forward as the official production company and the broadcaster of this series. Thank you, Dialogue. I would also like to recognize FanCode. FanCode is an Indian-based broadcasting company for being the digital and TV rights holder for the territory of India. We're certain that this series is going to be quite exciting. It will also serve as a vital preparation for the upcoming World Cup. And I'm certain that players are able to demonstrate their talents and do their own assessments during the series. So best wishes for all three teams. Just one more thing, I would like to also invite all cricket fans in Sri Lanka to come and support and watch the excitement of this series. The entry is free. And thank you very much.
All the three teams, India, Sri Lanka and South Africa, officials from SLC and all invited guests. Once again, good afternoon. Lanka IC is honored and privileged to partner with SLC as a title sponsor for this Tri-Nation series. This is done through our flagship lubricant brand Sarbo, which is a market leader in India and also the top brands here in Sri Lanka. And this underscores our commitment not only to power the engines on the road, but also the energize the ambitions of millions of cricket lovers in this island nation. So our association with the SLC has been long. I think it started in 2015 when we had sponsored the Sri Lankan A team. Thereafter in 17 and then again in 18 we had sponsored the Nidhas Trophy. Legends like Muralidharan and Ajanta Mendis has been our brand ambassadors. And of late we had also were the title sponsor for Sri Lanka Australia men's series. And coming to this series, I would say women cricket internationally is on the picking up a lot of momentum, and we are proud to partner in this transformative journey. And going ahead also, we'll continue to support Sri Lanka cricket and cricket as a whole. Other than cricket also, we are supporting football, hockey and other sports in this country. And I wish all the three teams all the very best in the upcoming Tri-Nation series. Let the best team win, and let there be exciting cricket in the coming days, and which all of us can cherish. And once again, all the very best. Thank you so much. And I thank SLC for giving us the opportunity to partner and we look forward to similar association in future also. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Who wants to ask? Please.
On behalf of the media, best wishes to Laura on this birthday. And welcome all to both teams from India and South Africa. And good luck to Chamari as well. Now, as Mr. Upul mentioned that there is going to be a potential trial for the World Cup to be held in 5 months' time in India. What do you all think about this tournament tri-series? Starting with Laura, the birthday lady. You can answer first, and then Harman and Chamari.
Obviously very wonderful to be here. I think this tri-series has come at a perfect time for us. In the subcontinent, with the World Cup obviously being in India, I think for us to spend as much time in the subcontinent as possible is crucial. So obviously very happy that this got added to our calendar.
Yeah, as Laura mentioned, this series is very important for us to going forward to the World Cup, and I think it's a great opportunity for us playing with one of the best teams in the world, and getting that experience. And I think this tournament definitely will give us a lot of confidence to going forward and playing in home conditions.
Yeah, definitely. This series is very important and very crucial series for us. Not only for us, the both teams, because we're playing against world best two teams. Our preparation is really good for this series and the upcoming World Cup as well. I hope our girls playing their best cricket in this competition as well.
Yeah, Madhushka, you can ask.
Harmanpreet, last time you were here, obviously the result didn't really go your way. That was in Dambulla for the Asia Cup. Just wondering, this at the Premadasa, the conditions are going to be slightly different, and they might actually be different to what you're going to find in India as well. So how does that sort of factor in terms of your preparation for the World Cup?
Well, the last time when we came here for Asia Cup, that was T20 format, and it's an ODI format now. And I think we have a lot of experience on our side. We have been playing cricket for a long time together, and definitely our team experience will help us. And I know these conditions are very similar to Indian conditions, especially if I talk about the heat and if ball will start turning on this surface. I think these things we are very used to when we play in home, and I think that experience will definitely help us to perform well against both the teams.
Same question to the other two captains.
What, last time we were
No, just in terms of the conditions, what are your thoughts and in terms of preparation?
Yeah, obviously last time we were here was 2017, which is quite a while ago for those qualifiers. So not too sure what to expect with the formats. I guess that sort of comes with being the visiting side. So yeah, hopefully we can get as much as we can out of the net sessions in the next few days and maybe have a look at their game, see how that goes to get some information. But yeah, should be very good prep because still in the subcontinent, nice and hot as well. So be a good challenge too.
Yeah, last time we met India in Asia Cup finals in Dambulla, but different format. Yeah, I know we beat India, but good team. They're playing really good cricket last World Cup and the last series as well. So yeah, they have good experienced team. So very good conditions, and I know they're playing their best cricket. So we take one game one time. I hope we can play our best cricket tomorrow. And we're playing against South Africa in South Africa last year. So we won a couple of games and we won T20 series as well. But that particular day, who will play their best cricket, the team will be win. So we take one game one time. We have to play our best cricket.
ඔය කණ්ඩායමේ තරුණ ක්‍රීඩිකාවන් කීප දෙනෙක්ම ඉන්නවා මම හිතන්නේ ලෝකුසලානේ බලාපොරොත්තුවෙන් තමයි ඔවුන් සංචිතයට ඇතුළත් කරන්න නැත්තේ බොහෝ දුරට ඒ වගේ තරුණ ක්‍රීඩිකාවන්ට මොන වගේ ලොකු ඔපචුනිටි එකක්ද මේ ට්‍රයි සීරීස් එක
ඇත්තටම අපි ගොඩක් තරුණ ක්‍රීඩිකාවන්ට අවස්ථාව දුන්නා මේ තරඟාවලියේ සහ පහුගිය නවසීලන්ත සංචාරයේදී අවස්ථාව දුන්නා. ඉතින් මම හිතන්නේ තරුණ ක්‍රීඩිකාවන්ට ලොකු ඔපචුනිටි එකක් මේ ඉන්ටර්නැෂනල් ලෙවලේ টොප් ටීම්ස් දෙයක් එක්ක টොප් ප්ලේයර්ස්ලත් එක්ක සෙල්ලම් කරන්න අවස්ථාවක් ලැබෙනවා වර්ල්ඩ් කප් එකට කලින්. ඉතින් ඒක හොඳ ගොඩක් හොඳ ඔපචුනිටි එකක්. මම හිතනවා යන්ග්ස්ටර්ස්ලා ඒක හොඳ විදිහට ගනී කියලා සහ ඔවුන්ගේ බෙස්ට් ක්‍රිකට් සෙල්ලම් කරයි කියලා. ඉතින් මට අවශ්‍ය නැහැ යන්ග්ස්ටර්ස්ලාට ප්‍රෙෂර් එක දෙන්න. මොකද සීනියර් ප්ලේයර්ස්ලා ගොඩක් ඉන්නවා. ඉතින් සීනියර් ප්ලේයර්ස්ලාගේ රෙස්පොන්සිබිලිටි එක තමයි ප්‍රෙෂර් එක ඇබ්සෝබ් කරන එක. යන්ග්ස්ටර්ස්ලාට පුළුවන් තරම් ඒගොල්ලෝගේ ෆ්‍රී ගේම් එක සෙල්ලම් කරන්න දෙන එක. ඉතින් මම ඒකට වැඩ කරනවා. මම හිතනවා එහෙම වුණොත් අපිට අපේ යන්ග්ස්ටර්ස්ලාගෙන් බෙස්ට්ම පර්ෆෝමන්ස් එක ගන්න පුළුවන් වෙයි කියලා.
ඒ වගේ තමයි මේ වෙදර් කන්ඩිෂන් එක සෑහෙන ලේසි නෑ මං හිතන්නේ 50 ඕවර් ගේම් එකක් ඩේ ගේම් එකක් කොච්චර චැලෙන්ජින්ද මේ ඒ තත්ත්වය.
අනිවාර්යයෙන්ම මම හිතන්නේ අපි හෝම් ටීම් එක වුණත් වෙද එක මාර අමාරුයි පොඩ්ඩක් රස්නේ වැඩි. ඉතින් ඒ වුණාට ඒක එක්ස්කියුස් එකක් කරගන්න බෑ. මොකද මම හිතන්නේ මේ වෙද එකේ තමයි අපිට සෙල්ලම් කරන්න වෙන්නේ. ඉතින් අපි ඒකට ලෑස්තිලා තියෙනවා. මොකද පහුගිය සති දෙකේ අපි ට්‍රේනින් කරා මේ වෙද එකේ. ඉතින් අනිවාර්යයෙන්ම රස්නේ බලපෑමක් තියෙනවා. ෆස්ට් ඉනින්ග් සෙකන්ඩ් ඉනින්ග්ස් කියලා නෑ. මොකද අතරමැද පැය දෙක තුනේ අනිවාර්යයෙන්ම රස්නේ තියෙනවා. මේ වගේ වෙලාවට සෙල්ලම් කරනවා කියන්නේ ටිකක් අමාරුයි. මම හිතන්නේ ඉන්දියාවට සහ අපට ටිකක් හරි සිමිල මේ වෙදර් කන්ඩිෂන් එක. හැබැයි මම හිතන්නේ සවුත් අප්‍රිකාවට ටිකක් අමාරු වෙයි. හැබැයි ඉතින් මම හිතනවා හොඳ ගේම් එකක් බලන්න පුළුවන් කියලා. මොකද මේ මෑත කාලේ මම හිතන්නේ ඉන්දියාව සවුත් අප්‍රිකා ගොඩක් හොඳට සෙල්ලම් කරා. ඉතින් අපිත් හොඳ තරංගයක් දීලා තියෙන කණ්ඩායම් දෙයක්. ඉතින් හොඳ තරංගාවලියක් මම හිතන්නේ ප්‍රේක්ෂකයන්ට බලන්න පුළුවන් වෙයි ලෝක කුසලානේට කලින්.
Yeah, few more. Yeah, Bandulu can go ahead.
ශ්‍රී ලංකාවේ අංක 1 ඉඳලා 4 වෙනකම් හුඟක්ම ප්‍රබල ප්‍රතිකාරණයෙන් සිටිනවා. මැදස් පෙළයි අග පෙළයි ප්‍රබල කරගන්න මොකක් හරි වැඩ පිළිවෙලක් මේ කරලා තියෙනවද?
ඔව් ඇත්තටම ඔබ කිව්ව දේ හරියි. මොකද අපි ගොඩක් තරඟ 1 2 3 කියන්නේ විශ්මි හර්ෂිතා මම සෙල්ලම් කරලා රන්ස් ගහලා තියෙනවා. හැබැයි මිඩ් ඕඩර් එකේ කට්ටිය ගොඩක් හොඳට පර්ෆෝම් කරලා මදි. ඇත්තටම අපි බලාපොරොත්තු වෙච්ච මට්ටමේ නැහැ. ඉතින් ඒකට සොලියුෂන් එකක් ඇටියට හසිනිව නැවත කණ්ඩායමට ගෙනල්ලා තිනවා. ඒ වගේම හංසිමා කරුණාරත්න නැවත අවස්ථාවක් දුන්නා. ඒ වගේම අපේ අන්ඩර් 19 කැප්ටන් මනුදු නානායක්කාර කණ්ඩායම ඉන්නවා. ඉතින් ඒ නිසා මේ වෙලාවේ බලන්නේ ටිකක් ඩීප් බැටින් ඕඩර් එකක් හදාගන්න. මොකද අපේ බැටින් වල තමයි පොඩි ප්‍රශ්නයක් තිබුණේ 50 ඕවර් ෆෝමැට් එකේ. ඉතින් අපි බලනවා යන්ග්ස්ටර්ස්ලා සහ සීනියර්ස්ලා කීප දෙනෙක් හොඳ කම්බිනේෂන් එකක් හදන්න මිඩල් ඕඩර් එකේ. අපි try out කීපයක් කරනවා වර්ල්ඩ් කප් එකට කලින්. මම හිතනවා අපිට ඒ දෙක කරලා හොඳම ටීම් එක බැලන්ස් ටීම් එකක් අපිට හදාගන්න පුළුවන් කියලා වර්ල්ඩ් කප් එකට.
You can ask what else? Yeah.
Harmanpreet, India is playing a relatively inexperienced bowling lineup for this series. How do you plan on finding the right combinations and in preparations for the World Cup as well?
Well, we had a couple of practice sessions here, and all the girls are looking really good. And tomorrow is the first game. Tonight we'll sit and discuss, whoever the best combination will be against Sri Lankan team, and we'll decide our playing 11 accordingly.
To Laura as well, you'll be playing without Marizan Cap in this squad. How is your squad looking in terms of preparation for the World Cup as well?
Yeah, Marizan's obviously a super key player who will have to play without the series, but I think it gives amazing opportunity for some youngsters to step up. Yeah, it's great to see what they can do, and hopefully we have some people putting up their hands and putting in big performances.
Madhushka, you can ask.
Harmanpreet and Laura, could you all just touch a bit on like the weather conditions, and are you all doing anything in particular to prepare for it? Because it is pretty steamy out there. Yeah.
I think, as we all know, heat is going to play a big role, and for I think all of us, it's very important. Keeping ourselves hydrated is going to be key, because now from last 3-4 months we have been playing only night games, and after a long time we're going to play day games. And I think keeping ourselves fresh and hydrated is going to play key, and our main focus is there, because skill is something which is going to be remain same, but keeping yourself fresh is something which I'm giving a lot of importance.
Yes, it's definitely a lot hotter than what we're used to back at home. I think we're just going into winter now, so it's been a bit of a shock to the system coming here. But like Harman said, just making sure we stay hydrated. Obviously, been used to night games so far this year. So yeah, just had a few hard sessions in the sun and resting when we were at the hotel.
And just one more question to just all three. Are there any particular players that we can expect to see get some extended game time across the series, young players?
Young players, if I talk about our team, I think Shri Charni is someone who really impressed in the WPL, and we have been looking forward for some left-arm spinner who can really do well for the team, and I'm personally very excited to see how she's gonna do in this particular tournament.
That's been coach, but we have some really youthful players in our side. I'm especially excited to see Karabu Mesu get a go. Really exciting keeper batter who's been pretty good in domestic stuff, so excited to see her.
Yeah, this time we pick under 19 captain and vice captain Manudi and the Rashmika. I hope they will play in their best cricket. They don't have any pressure. I saw them playing really good cricket in domestic home and trial games as well. So I hope they will prepare playing their best cricket tomorrow.
ප්‍රේක්ෂකයෝ ඔගොල්ලන්ට සෑහෙන ලොකු ආදරයක් දැක්වා ඒ තරඟය අපි ජයග්‍රහණය කරා ඉන්දියාවට එරෙහිව මම හිතන්නේ මේ තරඟාවලියත් නොමිලේ ප්‍රේක්ෂකයන්ට නරඹන්නට අවස්ථාවක් තිබෙනවා කණ්ඩායමේ නායිකාව විදියට මොකක්ද ප්‍රේක්ෂකයන්ගෙන් කරන ඉල්ලීම
ඔව් මම දන්නවා මම හිතන්නේ ආසියානු කුසලානේ ඊට කලින් තිබ්බ තරඟවලත් ගොඩක් අවසාන මහා තරඟේ නෙමෙයි තරඟාවලිය පුරාවටම ශ්‍රී ලාංකික ප්‍රේක්ෂකයෝ ගොඩක් එකතු වුණා අපිත් එක්ක මගේ කණ්ඩායමත් එක්ක. ඉතින් ඔවුන්ගේ ශක්තිය ගොඩක් අපට වැදගත්. ඉතින් මම බලාපොරොත්තු වෙනවා මේ තරඟාවලියේදී ඔවුන් ඇවිල්ලා අපට සහයෝගය දක්වයි කියලා විශේෂයෙන්ම මේ තරඟාවලියේ නොමිලේ තරඟ නරඹන අවස්ථාව ප්‍රේක්ෂකයන් ලැබිලා තියෙනවා. ඉතින් මම හිතනවා මේ ක්‍රීඩා ගනේ පිරෙන්න සෙනගෙයි කියලා අපට ශක්තියක් දෙන්න. ඉතින් මම බලාපොරොත්තු වෙනවා හොඳ තරඟාවලියක් ක්‍රීඩා කරන්න ශ්‍රී ලංකා ප්‍රේක්ෂකයන්ට ආඩම්බරයක් ගෙන දෙන්න පුළුවන් තරඟාවලියක් වෙයි කියලා මම බලාපොරොත්තු වෙනවා.
Bandar, you can ask.
This question for both the captains from India and South Africa. So in these days there are less tri-nation series happening in the world cricket, especially in the 50-over format. What's your thoughts on that?
I think it's a great initiative, before the World Cup we are getting a very similar kind of feeling where, you have to play with different teams and, keep looking at your run rate and then point table, something which is going to be played. I think these things play a very big role when you're playing in the World Cup. So I think that is something which is, really going to help all the team and really happy that, we got this opportunity and especially in Sri Lanka because the same kind of atmosphere we are going to get in ODI World Cup in India. So I think it's a great initiative and really happy that we are getting this opportunity.
You want to ask Binu?
Yeah, I think basically just that. I think it's perfect in a World Cup year. Obviously, you have the chance to sort of make a knockout game and play in that final. And just being able to play a sort of a final before the World Cup is very important. And yeah, conditions-wise, getting to play in prep for different teams, yeah, very good.
A question to Mr. Deepak does. Talk about the importance of sponsoring the Tri-Nation tournament like this, of this caliber for you.
No, as you know, Lanka IC is a major energy player in this country, and our endeavor has always been to, look for opportunities where, we can support both social fabric and also the sports in this country. And we have been doing it for a long time, as I told you. Almost 15 years we have been involved in, in various sports and various capacities. So cricket being, I would say the most popular game in the Indian subcontinent and that's where I think a lot of youngsters are looking up to. As I said, women's cricket is actually now gaining momentum and I think tournament like this will inspire many young women, many young girls to take up this, and come up to the next stage and next level. So we are very proud to be associated with this and I'm sure in coming days also we'll keep on supporting this.
Thank you.
We have chance for one more question.
This time is too bad.
Look here, Ron.
Phone
Excuse me.
Excuse me.
Mick, Indian captain put Lankaram macam punan. Indian captain.
Video aja nih. Samantha. Mali backdrop पे कम.
And okay, guys. We'll sing happy birthday, okay? Closer, right? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Laura. Happy birthday to you. That's good.
Right with the sun in your face.
Yes.
Already had this morning.
I'm good. Both captains, two captains. Right. Right. Chabari.